Hi guys, for the Elite episode, second part 2, I'm gonna go through question number 6 to 10 with you. So let me erase it and have some space to write. Okay, so first of all, question number 6. In this question, we will have a parallelogram this time, and then they say the ratio would be 2 to 1 already. So CD would be 2, ED would be 1. So let me say 2x and also 1x. And it is a parallelogram, so it is a parallelogram. And what about this two ratio, AF and also CD? In order to find these two ratio, I will try to borrow one line, DF. If I can find this ratio, the green one and the yellow one, then I can tackle this problem easily. So in this case, these two are actually a similar triangle. I'm trying to find out that if the ratio x to entire length 3x, then it actually means DF would be 1 to 3 ratio actually, so it means y to 3y. And if we know similar triangle, 1x to 3x, and then this length would be y to 3y, then I can say if it is a parallelogram, then the entire length for AD would be also 3y. So this yellow line would be 3y minus y. Then it means 2y. 2y, then AF means 2y to BF would be 3y. Then it means 2 to 3 ratio. Then answer would be B. Okay, question number 7. In this figure, it is a rectangle this time. E is a midpoint, so this two is the same length. And then F is a point lining on that such that DF equals to 2CF. Remind that it doesn't mean EF means 1 and then CF means 2. It's not like this, okay? It should be, if it is 2y, then here will be y for the ratio. Okay? And if I find out that the area of CFE would be 1 cm square. So please find the area for AEF. For this area. Okay, so in this case, I am trying to have a same ratio. CE would be x, and also BE would be also x. And then for question number 7, where is it 1 cm from? Would be x times y divided by 2 will be 1 cm square. And the entire idea would be using the larger rectangle minus 3 small triangle. So use the entire one minus the left upper one and also the lower one. Okay, so that would be the idea. Let's try to find out all the different lengths. So AD would be x plus x would be 2x, and then AB would be 2y plus y would be 3y in total. Okay, so let's try to find out those area. So the area of the yellow one would be, I'm trying to use 2x times 3y minus the upper one, 2x times 2y, and then divide by 2, minus the upper one, x over y divided by 2, and then the lower one, 3xy divided by 2. Then it means, basically, xy means 2 cm square. So I'm trying to plug all the 2 cm square inside. So 6 times 2 minus, so 2 and 2 is eliminate. So 2xy means 2 times 2 minus 2 over 2 minus 3 times 2 over 2 as well. So final answer by the calculator would be 4. Then answer 7 would be C. Using the larger one minus the smaller one. Okay, question number 8. In this question, it is also a parallelogram, and we have gotten DF would be 3 to 4. So it means if it is 3 to 4, and then AD to DG would be 1 to 1. So if the area of DFG, this one, would be 3 cm square. Please find the area for ABCD for this area. Okay, so that is your idea. And in this question, we are trying to find that out in total AB would be, okay, so if I look at this triangle and also the entire triangle here, they are actually similar. And since we have GD would be equals to DA, so in this similar triangle, we can see that these two triangles are similar. And then if it is 3, so here would be 1, here would be 2. And then if it is 3, then, so let me say 3x and also 4x. And then if it's 3x, and then the ratio for AE would be 6x actually. So here would be 6x. Since it is a parallelogram, and then CD, the entire length, will be equals to AB, right? So if 3x plus 4x will be 7x, and then here I already occupy 6x, and then it means 7x minus 6x would be actually x here. Okay, so in the other wordings, and I can find out 6x and also 1x for the ratio. So get back to the similar triangle. If I say 1 to 2 ratio for the similar triangle, this one I have got 3 cm square. Then what about the larger one for the bigger triangle? Then it means 1 to 2, similar, right? So we got a square, and then we got 3 over the entire one. So it means 1 over 4, and then 3 over the question mark. Then question mark means 3 times 4. Then it means 12 in total. So may I know if the entire one would be 12, and then I minus the upper part, then actually the lower one would be 9 cm square. So since it is 9 cm square, and then let me say there it will be a height h actually. Okay. For the height h, for the height h, if I say 3 plus 6, and then times the height divided by 2, and then equals to 9. And then h I can find that would be 2. Okay, if it is 2, then I can also find out this height would be 2. Then I'm trying to find out this area as well. So it means 4 plus 1, and then times 2 divided by 2, then it means 5. So this area will be 5 cm square. So in total will be 9 plus 5, then it means answer will be C. Okay, question number 9. In this question, it is a trapezium, then imply it would be a parallel line. And also AD would be 3, BC, here would be 2 to 3 for the ratio, and then E would be the midpoint. Okay, AC and DE intersect at F, and then the area would be 36 cm square is given. So please try to find the area for ABCD for the larger one. Okay, the larger size. Okay, so in this case, should we keep the 2 and 3 at this ratio? And I would like to have BE equals to EC, right? So should I break it down into 1.5 and 1.5? The answer is, please try to make it larger, become 4 to 6. Why? Because we can find out that would be 3 and 3 for the nice number. So in this case, I will try to enlarge them and then make them become a larger one. So that would be 4 and 3 and 3 for the ratio. Okay. So 4, 3, 3. And since we have got a similar triangle as well, this triangle and this triangle will be similar, and then we have got 3 over 4 for the length ratio, and then equals to the area ratio, right? So triangle ADF, let me make it simple, and be careful that should be a square. So triangle ADF should be, by calculator, it would be 64. So here first step would be 64. Okay, and then in the other words, I will try to cut it down into a triangle for here, because this shape I don't know how to do. Okay, and then after I cut this down, and then you can find out that here for this triangle, actually they have a different base and same height. Base as AC, and then the length ratio here would be still 3x to 4x from the similar triangle before. And then I can say since they have a same height, we have got 3x over 4x. So basically if you erase the x, it's also okay. Okay, equals to 36 divided by triangle AEF. And triangle AEF will be actually 48. Then this one will be 48. And then from previously, we say these two triangles will be the same. And then this one will be 48 as well. Okay, so looking at the yellow one and this yellow one as well, we have got a same base and also same height. And then this area actually means 48 plus 36 as well. So finally, for question number 9, and then I add up all the different parts, answer would be C. Okay, so this question combined with the similar triangle, and also we have got this part, same base, same height problem. This case would be the same height for AC as a height, and then, AC as a base, and then we got a different AC as a base, and then we have got the same height. Okay, so this part will be a same height problem. And then at the end, we look at the another last triangle, this one and also this one, exactly same base, same height, then add them up the area. Okay, so mix of all the different kind from the previous revision that we've gone through. Okay, that's question number 9. Okay, last question, number 10. Question number 10. So we know it is a parallelogram, and then we have 2 to 3 for the ratio. So let's write them down. If it is 2 to 3 for the ratio and also a parallelogram, then it means that would be a parallelogram. And we know that the triangle DEF area would be HCM square. Okay, so please find the area for this one, CEG. Okay, so in this question, we will see 2 to 3, and then it will be actually a similar triangle for the yellow one and the green one, so that we can say 2 over 3, both of them square, from having a similar triangle, then it means to triangle EBC. And bring around short form, just MC, okay? And then the EBC, then it actually means by a calculator would be 18. So first step, we can find out the first part would be 18. Okay, and then second part, since it is 2 to 3 ratio and similar, right? And then if I say, what about if it is 2y, then the lower CB will be also 3y, right, for the ratio. And since it is a parallelogram, if BC the opposite side for 3y, then AD will be also 3y as well by having opposite side of parallelogram. Okay, in this case, what about if I have the yellow one and also this blue one would be a same base, same height problem? Then this case we will have a same height. So same height. So second part, if I have a same height, then it means 2y for the base to 3y's for the base. Getting the same height, then it means equals to the area ratio. That would be 8 to triangle ADE. Then it means triangle ADE by calculator, then it means 12. So in this area, we have got 12. Last case, why do I highlight that in blue and blue color is, they are, again, one more time, that would be the third part. it will be a similar triangle again by having AAA. How come, Miss Yang? Because we have got a set shape, one angle, opposite, vertically opposite angle, another A. So this triangle will be similar again. So we have got the length ratio 2 to 3, right? Then it means 2 to 3 for the similar triangle square. Then we have 12 divided by the blue one. Then it means CEG. Then in the calculator, CEG. Then it means 27. Then it means answer D. Okay, so this question mixed with the similar base and then concerning about different height. So that we got a different base, same height. Then number 2, we can find out the blue area. Then last one, blue and blue, they're also similar again, concerning about 2 to 3 for the ratio. Okay, so that's it for the part 2, and then see you in the part 3 for the rest of the MC. Thank you. Practice make perfect.